Hello, travelers. How are you all doing today? This fine day. Ye blessings. Thank you so much for pressing the play button. I love that. That is so great. Please feel free to stay and to join the others. The mathematical wizards will restore your energy while you are here to learn. I am Johnny, your host with HomeCountry Mathematics. I truly appreciate you. Let's learn some math, shall we? All right. Ye wonderful learning individuals. Today we're still working on fractions. We are almost complete. I have done some examples. The way I'm going to be able to determine if you would like to see more fraction examples is by hitting the like button. That's kind of the only thing you can really do. And show your support as well. Again, it's great to have you all. So, fractions are easy, okay? They're not so scary. Let's make it fun. We have a problem. This is what they have written. 5/16 divided by 9/12. Again, if you've been watching and following each video, you will know that multiplying and dividing fractions is so much easier than doing the adding and subtracting. I feel that's probably an area where people get frustrated and lost is during the addition and subtraction of fractions. I should plan on doing some videos for you guys and gals. Please stay tuned. Again, I will do my best to make it easy to learn and fun as well. Now, here we have a division. It's not so scary. Again, like I said, multiplication and division of fractions is so much easier. It truly is. So, all you need to do is take this one here and just repeat what you have written there. And we are basically going to be taking this side and flipping it. Okay? So when we flip the fraction, we change the sign to multiplication. It's that easy, boys and girls. It is that easy. Now, we're not quite done yet. We do have to reduce. I always recommend this is the point where you kind of do your reducing. Again, I highly recommend that you have your multiplication table and or times table memorized. In all honesty, it truly will help you solve your mathematical problems, especially with fractions, so much quicker. I wish you all the best and good luck on your studies. Okay, common number. We need a common number between 16 and 12. That is easy. Our common number is going to be 4. Because 4 times 3 equals 12. And 4 times 4 equals 16. There's our common number. I'm going to carry this forward. The 5 is going to be unchanged, and essentially we are breaking the 12 into 2 numbers. Four times 3. 16 is going to change. I'm going to put the 9 here because it's our other value that's just hanging out and waiting. So now we take our 16 and break that number apart. Essentially, that's all we're really doing. Factoring is just a big word, but really, in all honesty, we're just taking a number and breaking it into 2 numbers. Okay? So now we're at a point where we could cancel 2 of the common numbers, because as we know, 4 divided by 4 is equal to 1, and 1 can be multiplied by any number and you'll get the same result. Carrying this forward, just to clean it up, we are left with 5 times 3 all over 9 times 4. It looks like we could go a little bit further. Isn't this fun? It truly is. So now, looking at this, we could see we could reduce or factor the 3 and the 9 as well, because we know that 3 can be divided by 9 and 3 can also be divided amongst itself. So 3 times 3, my apologies, 3 times 1 is 3, then 3 times 3 equals 9. There's our common number again. So the 5 is just going to be hanging out, and we're going to break the 3 into 2 numbers. The 4 is also the hanging out number, just waiting, and we're breaking our 9 apart. 3 times 3. Again, if you could find that largest magical number right from the beginning, you'll make short work of this so much quicker, but that's okay. If you end up reducing twice, it's not a problem. I am doing my reduction ahead of time because if you multiply all the numbers together, you're still going to have to reduce. Okay? Let us continue. I'm going to go like this and carry it forward here. We're left with 5 times 1 and 4 times 3. Hopefully I have not made any mistakes. 5 times 1 is 5. 4 times 3 is 12. Now, having a quick look here, our answer is 5 over 12. Wasn't that easy? It looks like a lot of work, but majority of this you most likely will do on a scrap piece of paper, unless your parents or whoever else is helping you learn, they may want you to show your work. Okay, this is showing your work. Good luck, and I'll see you in the next video. Thank you for watching.